Medyo may...
Original series of 2024. Kaya matapos na tayo. In the series, known for his works Kaliwaan and X, we have Felix Rocco. Also known for her works in Dance Star Dancer, Darkroom, and Luta, we have Eduardo, Lilia, and Hasmin. Yeah, let's ask the three of them to please stay here sa ating center of the stage. So tatanungin ko lang kayo, no, kasi dito you play a family, diba? So paano kayo nag-build ang laging kabangayan ni Cora? Pero grabe naman mag-care sa buong barkada. Please all welcome the talented and new face of the crew, Kian Johnson. Hi, the most awaited university series installments, Chasing in the Wild. Pero bago yan, salubungin muna natin siya today as the hardworking Jessie in Sembre. Please all welcome our beautiful Hyacinth Caliado. Hello, Hyacinth. Narinig ko from your fans, perfect ang ganda mo.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone. I just want to say again, I'm excited to be here. I'm proud of all of the work that Wait, can I sit? Or should I sit?
It's up to you.
I'll sit. I don't know if I should go.
This is a young and brilliant actor known for his role as Semi in The Rain in España and Six At oo, makikita niyo siya dito finally sa upcoming university series installment na Chasing in the Wild. But before we meet him there, kilalanin muna natin siya bilang si Pipo, ang diligent at brainy scholar ng Sembre Barkada. Let us all welcome Gab Latman. Hi Gab, please grab a mic there. Ayan.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang hapon. Maraming salamat po for giving your time to be here.
Okay, so just a quick question for you. Ano ang biggest difference ni Sevi at ni Pipo?
Dito si Pipo is more KJ siya dito so he's the more responsible and he doesn't like to be adventurous. Siya yung may mga alam na nangyayaring masama sa Barola, so he's the one who's gonna warn mga barkada dito. So yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. Gab, next in line, I think. But this time we'll get to know her as the bubbly and life of the party, Cora, who also has a cat-dog relationship with Timmy. Everybody please welcome Aubrey Caraan. Guys, Archer from Kilig to Tili. Paano niya kaya ulitin ang kukunin ang ating mga puso? Let us all welcome Krisha Viaje as Mitch. Mabait na anak at pamangkin, caring na kaibigan ng higit sa lahat, faithful partner ni Arlo. Good afternoon, Krisha.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. So lovely to see everyone here. Hey. Carefully, gulat scenes. Pero may lovely pa din dito, so don't worry about it.
Talented actor na sobrang fresh din from the success of Safe Skies Archer, where he played the role of Captain Akihiro Juarez, and Road Killers, where he played the role of Marco. Now let's welcome him as a carefree, palabiro, but affectionate Arlo, who is also a very sweet boyfriend to Mitch. Everybody put your hands together for Jerome Ponce. Hi Jerome, kamusta ka naman these days? How are you doing? stage. Paano ka naman ngayon as Arlo sa Sembreak? Sembreak? Sige, let's ask them all to form one line. Ayan. Of course, we have the director, of course, in our cast. So now, please look towards the center of the room. So now here are a few reminders po coming into the Q&A. Please do not ask personal, offensive, and insensitive questions. We will only answer questions related to the series. Okay?
Di ba one the boss ko? Kahit naman dito, di ba? Parang napakalaki ng project na to ng series na to.
Well, actually, pinagkatiwala sa amin ng Viva yung project na to, especially before Sita with Dean Haya. We get to work on our chemistry and really thankful na naka-work ko ulit sila Trish Rom, sila Aubrey. So, I'm just feeling blessed because sobrang happy and gaan namin sa set even though this is a scary show. Yeah. Brought back old memories nung, like what Jerome said, pag nagro-road trip yung mga barkada, and it's a nice feeling na maramdaman yun ulit kahit sa set lang. And of course yung mga horror, never naman ako naka-experience, pero it's really cool to be part of this horror series na makikita mo yung mga possessed na tao, and gusto ko niyong abangan yan kasi nakakatakot po talaga.
Our characters didn't know each other yet. Pero in Sembreak, I don't want to go into detail too much yet because I want you guys to see it and just wait. But let's just say it's a different relationship dynamic for sure.
Hindi ako mamili. I feel I'm happy with the people who are in with kasi may mga moments na kahit sobrang 4 AM nag-shoot pa kami, antok na lahat, laging may bibigay ng energy sa set. Kesyo sila Haya, kesyo si Jerome, kesyo Haya. Questionable, hindi. Kesyo sila Haya, kesyo si Jerome talaga.
No, kagabi lang kasi yun, and it was a very emotional scene, and it was her first time rin, and I was really, really proud of her na nagawa niya. And thank you rin kay Tarek, of course, and kay Ate Jaja. But yung pinaka-challenging siguro, yung last scene namin, grabe yun. Kasi, ayoko mag-share, pero umabot na rin kami ng sobrang umaga doon, and pagod na lahat. Pero thankful na kahit inuumaga kami, sobrang alaga kami sa prod and kila Derek, and met yung iced coffee, of course, nandun lagi. So, yun yung pinaka-challenging para sa akin, kaya abangan niyo po yung last scene namin doon. Courtesy of Jerome Ponce, ang gagawin niyo doon.
Last scene yung maraming shot, pataas ba?
Baka mabigay mo, bro.
Pero pili pa ako sila. Big
Last shot.
Then, Sembreak on Viva One. So please do subscribe and download the app. Alright, so cast and director, tingin na po tayo towards the center of the room, of course, for our official photographer, and to those joining us live streaming. Maraming salamat po. Alright, ngayon naman po, let's all look towards the left side. Sa inyong mga fans, maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Ate Jam, sorry. Akin na. Ibibigay to kay ano? Wait lang to. Mamaya tayo, papakita ko natin.
Miss ng school, disappointed ako.
Hello? Ano kuya? Minsan lang. Kaya Ate Rosa.
Wow! Gusto natin.
Unboxing. Mamaya pa.
Wow! Thanks, Ate Rona, for this towel. Gamit ko ito sa basketball. Gamit ito for chasing.
Saan ko nag-edit yan?
Picture tayo. Tatlo. One, two. Ganto, tara dito. Pakita ko sa'yo. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Sisingit na lang ako. Dali. Pindutin mo na lang. Try ko kayo.
Marami pa naman, di ba?
Hindi ko alam if nagagawa